Welcome back to the channel, Z-Dog. We are, I'm being quiet because we're at an apartment unit and we're hoping to tour, but there's nobody in the office. But I just want to start the vlog. It's gonna be, hopefully a weekly vlog. We'll see. I've been trying to do.
A lot happening this week.
I know. I've filmed so many weekly vlogs I ain't never seen the light of day. Ever. But this apartment's so cute. It's really nice. I think this is a temporary leasing office. I don't know. I guess I can't show you like the name in case we live here.
We do a perfect idea.
I know. I didn't even think of that. But this is the inside. I'm just gonna wait and see if somebody shows. I hope we do get to live here because it's super cute. And this light is amazing. I mean, I look like a scrub with no makeup on. Well, today's plan. So we've gotten breakfast so far. We went to this cute show. So
You should have got some viewers.
I know I should have, but we'll do like a little haul. We didn't get that much of what we got. We'll show y'all what we got.
Show the fit.
Cute.
Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
Black on black.
Cause you got to.
Got the Tommy's on.
Tommy shoes.
Can't stop me. Won't stop me.
North Rack.
Got the
Victoria's Secret. Oh, sorry, the YSL.
Miss Y. Nordstrom Rack, the jacket. Flattering. I know. I need to go buy another one because I was trying to tear it. I know. I actually cut it with scissors.
Oh,
Because I was trying to cut off a string and my ugly ass just like snipped the whole jacket. Like, what the heck?
this shirt we have forever. I don't know where it's from.
Why?
LOL, stop. And then her yoga pants are Victoria's Secret.
Necklace is
Father.
Christmas gift from the dads. Glasses. Vision first.
Vision first. Let me.
I'm not done.
Oh my god, you ain't got nothing else.
Earrings, Renzer.
Are they Windsor?
Yours truly,
Jesus, the Holy One.
the Savior.
And he makes no mistakes. And you can't buy that one, sorry. Do you hear me? I don't want all those clips. Well,
Hold on, let me fix it. Okay.
alright. Mine's real simple.
Why are you so nervous?
That is cute. Shoes, also Tommy. Tommy Hilfiger. Pants are from Altered State. Sweater is from H&M. Levi's. Hat, obviously. Earrings, Francesca's, because that's where I get everything. Hair, blow dryer. Coffee, McDonald's.
Ew.
But that's pretty much it. That's my it. Let's see if the other one's open. Super cute. This is the bathroom here. Hello? This is the weirdest thing you ever did. Which one? You like this one?
Wow.
Look into my crib.
Self-guided.
This is great for you and me. You know, Kiki trying to girl when we live together. Alright. So we can afford this easy. You tell me what it is. Of course. Okay, this is the last one, okay? Hello. You scaring me every time you see him. Okay. Thoughts? No.
Mm-hmm.
Courtney.
Did I leave my phone?
Where?
It's in my pocket.
What the heck? Where's mine? Dang!
Are you okay?
Shut up. I think that is very nice. But the bedrooms, they're doing you dirty.
Yeah.
And that's what I don't like about like
Nice
apartments. Like, I want to see what I'm paying for beyond just the amenities. Because you already know the amenities gonna
Or
be
location.
popping. Or location. I mean, I like it, but for how much it costs to get a closet of a bedroom?
No. The closet's bigger than the bedroom.
The closet is bigger than the bedroom. And we love a large bedroom. But, it don't seem worth it.
Yeah. Location's great though.
Yeah, location's great. Alright, another elevator. Alright, so now we are visiting our friend. We never got the chance to visit her apartment. She just kind of moved back. She moved, well, she lived here, and then she moved to Tennessee, and then she moved back. Yeah, she was in Nashville, and I did visit her for New Year's. I vlogged it a little bit, but that never went up on YouTube. So anyway, I vlogged her apartment, my trip to New Year's with her. Yeah. But she moved back, so now this is our first time seeing her new apartment. 26. Hi. Okay.
That is Anna.
She like her name. That's Christian. And that's corn. Whoa. And that's corn. That's so much. I didn't even see it over this picture frame. Ow. And then that's one. Sausage that I keep eating. And what are we making? Sausage boil?
It's a shrimp baked boil.
Baked boil.
Shrimp boil.
Baked boil? Do you have to boil
What's a
this?
boil?
You gotta boil this.
I got a bowl this morning.
Okay.
Her apartment is so cute. It's for her mama's birthday.
We gotta do something for our mama. We gonna get copyrighted. I gotta go.
I bet people watch Anna if she started a YouTube channel.
Oh, people would love her.
She's like, she's on the.
Stop it. I'm not like this all the time.
Stop. She's literally on this chair.
Mary, happy birthday to you. Yeah. Yes. You're on the phone doing the happy birthday. He gonna be on the phone doing a happy birthday.
I'm sorry, but it's a great birthday.
We're vlogging today, so yes, we've been vlogging all day.
You and the camera.
It's actually.
Oh, so you did a great job. I'm so proud of you.
We're both doing it.
Tennis ball.
Keep going.
What are you trying to do?
Is it lacrosse, baseball, passing in the glove?
It's to draw.
Badminton.
You're the worst,
Oh my
bro.
God. I don't know what to draw.
Glove, passing in the badminton.
Volleyball.
Start over.
Volleyball.
Start over.
Tennis.
wrong with that ball?
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on.
If you guys didn't know, I currently live at the parental's house. Hopefully not for that much longer. But all of our clothes are in the garage because we have so many clothes. So I have to come down here. I mean, I have clothes upstairs, but today is kind of a big day at work. So I want to look cute. I mean, we look cute every day, but we want to look cute. And I'm looking for a certain pair of jeans that I just don't think are down here. I'm looking for a pair of jeans that I haven't seen in a long time, but I don't know where it is. I don't know what to wear. Okay, dang. See, what the heck? I don't understand how jeans get lost. And we also have a storage unit with more stuff in it. Like, I don't think we ever did an apartment tour, but we've lived in 2 apartments, so we got a lot of crap. And I don't think the jeans are in there, because I wouldn't put jeans in storage, because that's stupid, because you need jeans all the time. But I don't see my jeans. Oh, what are these? No, these are not the ones. I don't understand though. How did this happen? Can't find the jeans. Going back upstairs. So I woke up at 6:30 this morning. I have to be at work at 9. But I live kind of far away from work. So I have to get up early. Especially if I want to look cute. Okay. So I just wanted to come on and say hello. Zinia's kind of grumpy. I don't know why. But it looks like the boyfriend's outside. So I guess she's going with him. But good morning. I'll see you when I'm dressed. That's the best I can do with what I got. Everything's in storage. And this is terrible lighting, so you can't really tell. But now I am rushing. I just don't know what time will be the best time for me to get up. Or maybe I'm just getting ready way too slow. I don't know. Where's the dang light? I'm about to make my lunch for work. And then I gotta run out the door. But I just wanted to come on here I gave a little update. I was gonna film me getting my lunch together, but we don't have time for that. So we'll have to do that another day. I'm about to watch Naz's video. Zinia's already seen it, where she announces that she's having twins.
So you just saw me on the floor.
Now you can't get my genuine reaction right now because I saw like the notification first,
Bitch.
and so and I wasn't able to celebrate because I was at work.
I didn't even think it was clickbait. It was like two. It wasn't like twins. You know how people do it? Like what?
Well, it looked like it was clickbait because they didn't put like an exclamation point or anything. It was just kind of like
I read it and I knew they would tell the truth. And I clicked on it and I was like, no, they didn't. So and then I was thinking, they just had sex. They didn't do the IVF.
Oh, Zinia.
IVF, I can understand that, but she said they just been trying. I was like, so you're telling me she tried and had twins?
That happens all the time.
She said I didn't think I was gonna be a mama at 23. Mama of 3 at 23.
That's so exciting.
Y'all a whole ass family out here. Oh, Zoria, it's so crazy. I gotta watch the video again. Finish that up so we can listen to it.
Oh my God, Zinia watches the videos multiple times.
Zoria, I'm gonna watch it like 6 times.
All right, well, I'm about to watch the video, but I just wanted to introduce the new day because I haven't done that yet. But Naz is, well, we knew Naz was pregnant, but Naz is having twins.
Pregnant.
That's crazy. You always see people that try to do clickbait and they're like, let's find out if we're gonna have twins or not, or are we gonna have twins or something like that, and they don't.
No, bitch.
But it's
Zoria,
true.
she had the picture in the
She's got the picture. The proof is in the picture.
So when they put that picture, I said, I see them. I see them right there.
Babies.
Both babies right there.
Okay, let's watch the video.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain